In 2017, the call to action that we were given was to reduce our marketing spend by 20%, but at the same time ensure that it wasn't damaging to the business. We asked ourselves, can we measure return on marketing investment? Do we have a tool to allow us to do this? What we didn't have is one standard framework. So we went out with an RFP to several vendors and we appointed Neustar as the partner that would help us to achieve both the 20% reduction in spend without damaging the business, but also long-term that we would work with a return on marketing mindset.
They didn't have the right metrics to understand the effectiveness of their marketing investments.
They knew even when they started discussing with us that their goal was to start on a journey, their return on marketing investment journey. That it wasn't about this one decision, but it was about creating a culture of insights and analytics that would allow them to repeatedly ask hard questions like this that would protect and grow their business while having insight and visibility into how marketing was actually performing.
Previously, we measured our channels differently from market to market, and that was really making it hard for us to get an overall picture.
Once we measure, we help them actually activate, help them decide the specific channels to buy on, the specific audiences or profiles to target against, and the messages and the campaigns that are really most effective. There's belief in the data and the modeling and the recommendations, and it is available when they need to make those decisions.
What was also very important was to have this partner enable us to embed return on marketing investment as a mindset within the team, to create one standard framework and tool and go-to for measuring return on marketing investment, and importantly to plan our media plans going forward.
At each step along that ROMI journey, Neustar has a solution and a capability that we can provide to SAS so that they can answer those questions and they can make their marketing investments matter more.
Now they are using a metric that is shared by everybody. Whenever they are preparing a media plan, they are running simulations and optimizations using our tools. The efficiency and effectiveness of their media investments is increasing.
Getting the advanced analytics solution in place really facilitated a cultural change within SAS. We now had a standardized and systemized way of looking at media efficiency and how it worked, not just for one market or for one channel, but for all channels and all of our markets, and even across the organization. MMM is at the heart of all of our planning and all of our execution.
What the Neustar tool has allowed us to do is to implement return on marketing investment thinking within our team. And that's what we achieved by starting this partnership with Neustar.